What up guys, I'm back with some more Robocraft, and today we're going to be making a tier 2 robot. This is going to be your basic frame. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 11. It's going to be a 7 by 11. You're going to put your wheels, you're going to do 2, steering wheel, 2, drive wheel, 2, steering wheel, 2, and do that on both sides. After you do that, you're going to want to get out your tier 2 armored cubes, and you want to put another layer around your frame. After you guys do that, you are going to want to make your first platform for your guns. And you're going to want to cover up your next tier with the armored 2 blocks to protect your frame. Also, before we get too far, you want to put in your pilot seat. You can put whatever you want in here, but I'm just going to put a pilot seat, enemy radar, and an alignment rectifier in case I flip over. Now you want to do that little 3 by 3 for the gun mount on all the corners. After you do that, you want to give those some protection. We're going to do that by just putting these on the corners. Just to make it harder to hit them. And we're also going to add armor to the outside, and also make it less rectangular. Putting all these extra cubes around the outside is just going to make your robot be able to take more damage and last longer during the battle. And that is going to be the first tier of your robot. Once you get that done, you want to start building up your next tier, putting as much as you can to help protect those tires. You could be putting in those triangle blocks if you really wanted to, but that's just going to take up your P-flops and make you able to put less. And I lied. You are going to want to still be using your tier 2 blocks where you can. We're going to take those out and put these in just for looks. Just gives it that extra look rather than a box. Once you get that done, you can put your SMGs, your tier 2s if you do have them. Make sure you get them facing forward. Though it doesn't really matter which way you place them, because they can do a full 360 turn. After that, we're gonna build our next gun mount right here. I'm gonna do another 3x3. No, you're just gonna fill it in. This is actually my first time building this robot. I have never practiced with this or anything, so we're gonna see how it works out together. What I do know is I need some more tier 2 blocks. If you don't have the money for tier 2 blocks, you could always use your tier 1s. That thing does take up a lot of room. Huh. Trying to see what I can do here. It's gonna be the same for the seat. Did that work? Now he's block up the holes with these. These things, you can never have too many. All it's doing, it's giving it look, and also adding to how much of a pain in the ass it will be for the other team to destroy it. And as I'm building this, when I build, I like to have all my guns being able to shoot. And if I'm on an angle, only 3. So that is one design flaw that I do not like personally. some more SMGs. And mount, we'll put one right here. On each side, depending on which way you are looking. And then we can drop more right up top. Wow, we could actually put a lot of guns on this thing. It's all designed how you are. If you have electro plates, you can put those on, you can put plasmas on. The guns is all up to how you feel. So, just so I don't have to buy another one, we're gonna use, nope, not these. We'll use tier 4. Right on the back bell. Then we'll take that one and put it right there. And that's gonna be it. Let's take it into practice mode and see what it does. And now that we're in practice mode, let's, as you can see, it takes down the target pretty quickly, depending on how many guns you got shooting. If you got all of them, shoot them at all angles. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Tonight we're on the run, while we chase the morning sun, until our paradise is shown, so we can live forever young. Follow the echoes of your soul to the edge and far beyond.